No, but literally, like, I can't tell you the last time I actually straightened my hair. Of course, that's a wig, but straightened hair, period. Like, hello, lovely people. So today I'm super excited because I found a flat iron. I found one that, from the reviews, is decent and like beyond decent. It's really good. So brief story behind it. I really needed a flat iron because if you see my previous videos, you know that I just started wearing wigs, and I really want one of those like straight sleek look ones. So I found Babyliss, I don't know how to pronounce it, which if you do your hair, you probably know a lot about that product. So theirs were really good. I went to Sally's and kind of like tested out the prices and see all the different types and all that stuff. So they run from like 70 to like 150-ish, depending on the size and everything. But they are titanium. So that was my standard, okay? That was like the one, if I didn't find anything else, that was pretty much what I was gonna get. Check out Amazon, like, because you know Amazon has everything, and some of their stuff is actually decent for like a cheaper price. So this was their like recommended, suggested flat iron, and so I clicked on it. It's only $37, so price point already was like, But you know when you are used to something being more expensive, like a flat iron, and then you see it for a lower price, you're like, I don't know if this quality about to be the same. Like, you know, like you get what you pay for. So I was like, but I'm gonna click on it and we'll see some reviews, because reviews are everything. If you are of this day and age and you buy things online like I do, reviews are everything. So I watched some reviews, watched some YouTube videos, and I decided to get it. It's $37, so if it doesn't work, I will just return it. So this is the packaging, as you've seen. It just comes in a box. It has there's some of the specs on the side, and then open it up. It comes in a dust bag like this. It says Kipozi on it, and you get a user manual and some kind of like free trial. Join us. I don't know what this is. It has an LED screen. It has some presets, so it goes from 270, 350, and 410, 170 degrees Fahrenheit up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And it has auto off. Alright, so I have it plugged in. Right now it says off. I am going to start a timer. It says it has 30-second instant heat up time. Take this off. It's actually, the display is like really nice also. Cool. So anyway, I'm gonna start a timer and press the buttons right here. There's the on off button, the decrease, the presets is the P, and then increase right there. It says it has 30-second heat up time, and we'll see how long it takes while I talk. It says 350 usually for damaged colored hair, 270 for fragile hair, and 410 for healthy hair. So I read that earlier, and right now it says damaged on there. 370, which I guess is in their range of like for damaged or like colored processed hair. So we can increase it to 450. It goes by increments of 10, and then yeah, so it moved up. So I had increments of 10. I'm all the way at the top now, and it says healthy. So I guess it has these like predetermined temps if you don't know what you need it at. But cool. I guess we'll go to the presets: 410, 270, 350. Yeah, no, that's cool. The display is nice. I'm here for it.
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
Okay, increase it by 10 or decrease it. So it's a nice flat iron. Now let's get into actually flat iron. And if you want a review on this hair, I've had it for probably like a month now. Slick. So yeah, if you want a review, let me know. I definitely have some thoughts about it. But also, this is the first wig that I've ever had, let alone put on, let alone tried to wear in style. So of course, a learning experience. So now that we have the heat protectant on it, it's real smooth too. I do like that. Very nice and even. Alright, so this is one pass of the 450. And I would definitely consider that an extreme. But yeah, this cream is great. I love it. And it's really easy to just like maneuver. There's not really any questions about what's going on. It does have the lock, so if I close it and lock it, maybe, there you go. And it says, and the plates do get hot, like the back of this does. And some flat irons, I know you can like touch the back and it'll be fine. This is not one of those. Alright, so overall, I really like this flat iron. For $37, it did well. Now, with the Babyliss or whatever, have done better and like gotten that like bone straight, probably. For $37, very good flat iron, definitely beginner, user friendly. I support it. We're just gonna look half crazy on this camera. Like, y'all remember when people used to do like a straight bang, but then have like curly hair in the back? Jesus, we've come a long way. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'm going to straighten the rest of my hair, and then I will catch you guys in the next one. Then again, all the links are going to be below for the wig stand, the hair, the flat iron, of course. Yeah, just all of them. All right, go check it out, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. All right, so hair is straightened to the best of my novice ability.